Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Archimedean property. Real numbers, real line. ഇതൊക്കെ വളരെ ഫെമിലിയർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഓബ്ജക്ട്സ് ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ the set of all natural numbers is not bounded in R. അതൊരു obvious fact ആണ്. Why it is not bounded? Because it has no upper bound. Now, how can we prove this obvious fact? ഈ ഒരു ഫാക്ട് നമ്മൾ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് completeness property of R യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ്. That is, as an application of completeness property, we can prove that the set of all natural numbers is an unbounded set. We also use the inductive property of n. What is the inductive property of n? The inductive property of n says that if n belongs to n, then n plus 1 also belongs to n. We have already said that we are about to prove that n is an unbounded set. The absence of upper bound for n means that given any real number x, there exists a natural number n, and that n will depends on x, so we denote it by nx, such that nx is greater than x. That is, for any real number x, there exists a natural number nx such that nx is greater than x. That is Archimedean property. See the statement. If x belongs to R, then there exists an nx belongs to n such that x less than nx. So, x cannot be an upper bound of n. That is, there exists no real number which is an upper bound of n, or n is an unbounded set. We prove this by contradiction method. Suppose the assertion is false. That is, n is less than or equal to x for some x and for all n belongs to capital N. അതായത് സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പേഴ്സിലെ എല്ലാ നമ്പേഴ്സും ഒരു എക്സിനേക്കാളും ചെറുതാണെന്ന് നമ്മൾ അസ്യൂം ചെയ്യുന്നു. Therefore, x is an upper bound of n. Then by the completeness property, the non-empty set n has a supremum u in R. ആറിൻ്റെ ഒരു സബ്സെറ്റ് ബൗണ്ടഡ് എബോവ് ആണ് എങ്കിൽ അതിനൊരു സുപ്രീമം ഉണ്ടാകും എന്നതാണ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ്നെസ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ എക്സ് ഒരു അപ്പർ ബൗണ്ട് ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു, നമ്മുടെ അസംഷൻ ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ സുപ്രീമം എക്സിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ആ സുപ്രീമം നമ്മൾ യു ആണെന്ന് എടുത്തു. Now consider u minus 1. u minus 1 is smaller than u. So, u minus 1 is not an upper bound of n. u minus 1 is not an upper bound of n means that there exists a natural number m which is greater than u minus 1, or u minus 1 is less than m. Now add 1. That is, u minus 1 is less than m. Adding 1 we get u is less than m plus 1. m belongs to n. So the inductive property of n says that m plus 1 also belongs to n. Then what is this? u less than m plus 1 is a contradiction because u is the supremum of n and m plus 1 belongs to n. So this contradiction proves that our assertion or the fact that n is less than or equal to x for all n belongs to n is a false assumption. That is, there does not exist such an x.